The silicone come from Polytech industry. There is a lot of kind of silicone, but I only work with 3 kind, the gel W, the gel 10 and the gel 25. You don't really know what is the silicone? In this video I will just explain to you literally what is the silicone. The silicone come with 2 bottles, one par A and one par B, and the silicone need to be mixed 50-50. And after the curing time, after a chemical reaction, you have the silicone. The 2 gel, they are a little bit like honey. The curing time is about 30 to 45 minutes, but it depends about the temperature of your room and the kind of silicone you're working with. On Infinity, I will teach you how to use the silicone like a professional artist. The silicone is a really great tool. With the silicone, you can create anything you want. There is no skin texture, the same but with the painting job, the skin texture, the painting job, another skin texture. This is the 3 kind of silicone. We have the gel 25, he's very strong. The gel W, he's more soft. And the gel 10, something between. The Smith Prosthetics Designer from Polytech. And with this product, you can turn the classic silicone, the gel 25 or the gel 10 or the gel W. You see, he's very rigid and not elastic at all, almost like true scales. And with the designer, you can get something like this. The traceability is made of 24 numbers. This is something I designed all by myself because the Smith Prosthetic Designer don't come with a secret formula. You need to make your own mix. And this is why, after many years of working hard with the silicone, I decided to name it, and I call this the traceability. And this allows you to understand exactly how work the silicone and to get the feeling like you want. To have something extremely elastic, and this is also about the softness when you touch it. This is not just elastic, it's really like your own human skin. For the silicone, you need to have something to mix, and you always work with glove. The silicone will foot any color, with the traceability 15. This means when you touch it, you feel something different when you play with it, and about the elasticity. Here there is no color. You can use some professional pigment, only made for the silicone. They are very expensive. For the human skin, I use a lot of foundation and also acrylic paint. See you soon on Infinity.